Oh, hey there. If you can think of a place that you would like for me to have in one of my videos, list it in the comments. What could it hurt? Extra points if it has interesting history, great science, and is an all-around amazing story. Or a sad story. Or a bizarre, weird story. So my video this week is only about 184 miles from the location of my last video.
In September of 1953, the Soviets invaded a border guard cordon in the northern tip of Estonia on the Baltic Sea. They made it into a submarine base, which operated until 1991, when Estonia and the Baltic states gained their independence. At that point, Military Unit Number 53083, as it was called, was abandoned and scrappers stole everything of value. Like most, if not all, Soviet installations at the time, the submarine base was secret, so not a lot is known about what happened there during the Cold War years. There was a measuring system in the sea, and the entire bay was covered with sensors, wires, locators, and locators behind wires. I'll link a short scuba diving video below so you can see some of them. The measuring was likely part of the process of degaussing. A gauss is a unit of magnetism named for Carl Friedrich Gauss, a German mathematician. The steel in submarines acquires a magnetic field, a signature if you will, around them that is specific to only that submarine. A magnetic naval mine can detect that signature. The solution to avoid building up the signature was for submarine captains to change direction, often. To destroy the magnetic signature, the submarine was secured on moorings in the base like this. Large electrical cables were dragged along the side of the ship with a pulse of about 200 amperes flowing through it. This induced the proper field into the ship in the form of a slight bias. The only thing scrappers left behind was a barren concrete structure, and over the years it's been marked up by graffiti and pummeled by Baltic wind and snow and rain. Loose rocks and wooden slats have fallen below what appears to have been a walkway separating sections of the base. People who visit extrapolate this building was where torpedoes were moved along and eventually loaded into the sub while it was moored here. Only 10% remains of what originated here during Soviet times. Today, it's part of Lefevrue National Park, and you can pay $6 and some change to visit, as it is cared for by Hara Sadam, and tourism started this month with comfortable temperatures.
And as always, thank you for watching.